Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The exterior color is billet silver, and under the hood we have a 3.6-liter engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights, as well as a pair of fog lamps. And over at the side we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Firestone tires. We also have color matched mirror caps and door handles. We also have our power sliding door. At the rear, we have privacy tinted windows, and up top we have our roof rails as well as crossbar. This Grand Caravan also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have a power liftgate as well as a backup camera. At the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with a wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors that are also heated. Over at the steering column, we have our headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our hands-free controls located on the left. And over at the right, we have our cruise control settings. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful black seating that comes with fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 112,483 kilometers on this beautiful Grand Caravan. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our LCD touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, navigation, as well as other apps. Our driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Down below, we have console storage, as well as dual cup holders, and a center console for even more storage. At the rear, we have power sliding doors that come with power windows and door storage. Up above, we have our DVD entertainment system, and our dual captain chairs provide tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 2 passengers while creating an easy walkway to our third row seating. Our third row provides seating for 3 more passengers, making this a total of 7 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Grand Caravan, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.